Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will write 20 lines essay on my best friend. My best friend is very nice. His name is Ali. He lives near my house. We play together every day. We go to school together. He is my classmate. We sit together in class. He is very good in studies. He is very brave. He helps me in everything. We share our toys. He is very good in sports. He runs very fast. He respects teachers and elders. He never fights anyone. He always speaks the truth. We have a lot of fun. He is very kind. We are very happy. I love my best friend.